So the real-time data analysis. So that's, again, talking about how can we drive the efficiency of the whole value chain by understanding the data, by having it real time, and therefore we can make decisions real time and scale up the manufacturing. So the aim in autologous manufacturing is to have multiple workstations within a given space. And if we have better understanding and better control, we can then make the justification of increasing the density of these manufacturing processes, and therefore better utilize, reduce the cost of goods of the infrastructure that is then contributed to the cost of goods per batch.